Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 16. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. So look at our first word, languish. Friends, languish means grow weak. Its Hindi meaning is kamzor hona. Now moving to its sentence. Its sentence is, away from the sunlight, the plant will languish and die. Its synonym is weaken. Now moving to our next word, malice. Friends, malice means the desire to harm someone. You can also say ill will. Its Hindi meaning is durbhavna. Now look at its sentence. She has no malice in her. Its synonym is hostility. The next word is impudent. Friends, repeat after me. Impudent. Impudent means not showing due respect for another person. Or you can say rude. Now moving to its sentence. Its sentence is, don't be impudent. Its synonym is disrespectful. Look at the next word, niggardly. Repeat after me, niggardly. Friends, niggardly means unwilling to give or spend. Its Hindi meaning is kanjoos. Now look at its sentence. Don't be niggardly, you can afford to share your money. Its synonym is close-fisted. The next word that I have for you is wedlock. Wedlock means the state of being married. Its Hindi meaning is shadi. Now moving to its sentence. After only 3 months of wedlock, the celebrity couple was heading for a divorce. Its synonym is marriage. The next word is barbarous. Barbarous means extremely brutal. In Hindi it is cruel. Now moving to its sentence. It was barbarous to treat prisoners in that manner. Its synonym is vicious. Look at the next word, sagacious. Sagacious means intelligent or shrewd. Its Hindi meaning is buddhiman or chatur. Now moving to its sentence, he is a sagacious businessman. Its synonym is wise. The next word that I have for you is wearisome. Friends, wearisome means very tiring or boring. Its Hindi meaning is thakane wala. Now look at its sentence. I am doing a wearisome work. Its synonym is exhausting. The next word is empathy. Friends, empathy means the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Its Hindi meaning is हमदर्दी या फिर सहानुभूति. Now moving to its sentence, he had empathy with small children. Its synonym is sympathy. Last but not least is vigilant. Friends, vigilant means attentive. Its Hindi meaning is savdhan. Now look at its sentence. A pilot must remain vigilant at all times. Its synonym is observant. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of weaken? A. Languish. B. Wedlock. C. Impudent, D. Sagacious? Give me answer of this question in comment box.